Hello everyone and welcome back to another tutorial for the Sekiro Shadows Die Twice game. In this video, I'm going to show you how you can change the sensitivity settings within this game. So let's get started right away. First of all, open up the Sekiro Shadows Die Twice game on your device, and once you open it up, you will be taken into the main menu. From here, just scroll down and click on Settings. Now within the settings page, click on Camera Options, and now you can choose whether you want to invert your camera axes or not. At the very bottom, you will also see the camera speed option. If you increase this value by clicking the arrow at the right side, then this will increase your sensitivity. And if you click at the arrow on the left to decrease this value, your sensitivity will decrease as well. Just choose your value and try your game to see which value feels more comfortable. After achieving your desired value, you can choose it within this menu. And once you go back into the main page, your settings will be applied. And now you can start enjoying your game with your chosen sensitivity settings. And there you have it. That is how easy it is to change the sensitivity settings within the Sekiro Shadows Die Twice game. If you find this video helpful, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to our channel for more useful tips and tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you again in the next one.